So, you wish to market your product and service through social media and you already have a social media that is currently running. Hi everyone, this is Mincha. Today we are going to learn more about how do you market your product and service through social media itself. Firstly, have you noticed there is this new feature on Instagram and Facebook that is called Facebook or Instagram Shop? You must utilize that as a way for you to tag your product or service because this will help your user or your audience to know that exactly what kind of service and product that you are trying to sell. Give a very clear price list there so that people would know how to find out more about your service and your product. At the same time, don't forget to tag your product and service in each post instead of putting it at caption saying, need to find out more, go on to link in bio, because we all know people are lazy to find out more. So what they want to do is they still want to stay in Facebook or Instagram and to be able to get into the details of the product as soon as possible. So don't forget to do that, tag the product on each post. Second, you must remember that there is also this feature called Facebook or Instagram ads. So if you don't know how to run an ad, don't worry. It's about starting small and starting to experiment. So first thing, you want to find out who is the target audience that you want to sell to. And when you start running ads, they will ask for the target audience in terms of their demographic, the location, and also their interests. So don't forget to experiment different sets of ads so that you can find out exactly which audience are you going for. Understand them more by speaking to them, finding out where most of them stay, and most importantly, try running the ads with a small budget, and then from there, if it's good, if the number tells you that this is the right thing to do, go bigger. And if it's not, change the target set from time to time. Lastly, don't forget to check out what your competitors are posting as well. So besides what are they posting on their social media, you have to check out what are they posting as an ad also. What do I mean by that? I bet you don't know about this yet. So in each ad on the top right, there is always 3 little dots where you could click into it and check out what's the details of the ad, including what target audience that is set, what's the demographic, and why are you being targeted basically. So go in and find out more, and if you have not tried any of the tips and tricks above, go and try it out today. Thank you for watching us today, and I hope you like what you have learned from this video today. If you want to know more about social media tips and tricks, do follow and like our page. Thank you and see you soon. Bye!